Today we are going to be making Mediterranean hummus chicken bowls. Welcome to Easy Cuisine with Jennie. This is a one-dish dinner all in one on a plate or a big bowl filled with yummy spiced chicken and hummus and lots of vegetables, cucumber, red onions, cherry tomatoes, parsley, and I'm gonna take you step by step through the process of making this easy meal. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is read your recipe in full. Always read it through once right before you assemble everything. Then you wanna get your ingredients out on the counter, and the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is take your cucumber and you're going to slice it lengthwise in half, and then you're gonna chop it. So into little pieces just like this. And then you're gonna take your red onion and you are going to slice it so that you have slivers of red onion. And you can do this all on this one cutting board. And then you're gonna want to take your cherry tomatoes, enough for however many people, 4 people is of the recipe, slice them in half, and then chop up your parsley. It's a 1/4 cup of parsley. Next step is to cut up your boneless, skinless chicken thighs into 1-inch pieces. And you're gonna wanna put it in a small to medium bowl. And you'll wanna do that on a different cutting board. So a lot of people designate cutting boards for raw meat just for safety issues. A lot of people also have like the plastic cutting boards in different colors so they know which one. I have one labeled for raw meat that I use. So you want to cut the chicken up into small 1-inch pieces. And now we're going to want to prepare our oven. You're going to want to make sure that you have one of your racks on the upper 3rd part of your oven, and then you're going to want to preheat your broiler to high. Let that get warmed up. Okay, while we are doing that, we are going to toss the chicken with its marinade. Pour onto the chicken in that small bowl 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, and 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, and then 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Okay, I'm now mixing this up. You want to make sure that you coat the chicken pieces completely. I love tongs for this. And then you're going to want to cover a baking sheet with a piece of aluminum foil. And you're going to spread the chicken out evenly. You don't want the pieces crowding each other or it won't cook evenly. We are now gonna put this in the oven. I wanna tell you a secret about kind of my hack on garlic. They make a frozen cubed garlic cloves, and each one is a clove of garlic. You can pop it in to different recipes while you're cooking and it will melt and work perfectly. And you're gonna wanna get another medium bowl. So I'm gonna add 2 of those to my my bowl. 1/8 teaspoon of salt, just kind of mash that up a little bit. 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, which usually is about half of a large lemon or a full small lemon. Whisk that together and get that ready. This is where the cooked chicken is gonna go. You want 2 cups of hummus. You want 1/2 cup in each bowl. I'm kind of eyeballing a 1/2 cup. Nobody ever complains about too much hummus. Now that the chicken has been cooking for 4 minutes, the timer's gone off, we're going to pull the chicken out and we're going to turn the chicken over so it browns on the other side and doesn't burn under the broiler. And then we're going to put it back in to the oven and set the timer for another 4 minutes. Scooping the chicken right into that marinade that we made. I need to keep all the juices in the pan that I can pour on. Okay, so now I want to mix all that up. Oh, it smells so good. You can smell the spice and the lemon and the garlic. So I'm gonna stir that up, and you wanna let it sit for 5 minutes. And you wanna stir it occasionally so it keeps getting all those flavors mixed in. So a great thing to serve this with is whole wheat pita bread. You can toast it in your oven or toaster oven, or you could make some brown rice. That would be delicious with this as well. We're ready to serve. So I'm gonna divide this up. Now, this is normally for 4 people. So I'm gonna have a little bit of leftover chicken, which I can't wait to have for lunch tomorrow on a yummy salad.
Cheers!
Hit like and subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss a future episode.